Good morning, Rough Riders. Today is Tuesday, June 9th. I'm Gabby Montana, and I will be reading today's Tuesday Talk. Just in case you missed it, our end of the year virtual assembly link is on the school district and Port Angeles High School websites. Did you take a business or marketing class that provided the opportunity for dual credits with Peninsula College? If so, check your student email and Google Classrooms for instructions on how to register for your college credit. These credits are free, so please take advantage of this opportunity and register. If you have questions about your login information or questions about the registration process, contact your teachers. The following 4 students have worked hard to qualify for the state biliteracy in Spanish and English. It is quite an honor. Congratulations to seniors Lici Dominguez-Santiago, Madizon Zepeda, Luis Galvin, and junior Sol Wassencarry. Student turn-in days. Students will be able to turn in school properties such as chromebooks, textbooks, uniforms, and others, as well as pay fines or fees owed on the last 3 days of school, June 17th, 18th, and 19th. We are expanding the hours for this event and will now be open to collect items at our curbside collection point on Park Avenue in front of the high school from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Please also note, PE staff will be in the East Gym for students to pick up locker belongings the same days and times as school drop-off pickup. Graduating class of 2020. Thursday, June 11th is the last day for seniors to turn in schoolwork. Port Angeles High School staff and students are collaborating to produce a virtual celebration of the class of 2020 in the form of a video. It will be posted on the high school and district websites on Friday, June 12th at 7:30 p.m. The video will include student and staff speeches, a slideshow featuring each grad and his or her accomplishments and plans after graduation, and music performances by senior singers. Parents and community members are independently planning other events to celebrate graduation. Due to restrictions related to the COVID-19, the online video event is the only official Port Angeles School District graduation event. TikTok Challenge, Week 4, June 9th through 14th, for the Port Angeles High School Class of 2020 seniors. Take a video of you tossing up your cap and send it in to the Port Angeles High School Leadership Instagram. It starts today through Sunday, June 14th. There will be weekly winners. Attention sophomores and juniors. Applications are being accepted for the next Port Angeles High School student representative to the Board of Directors. Please check your school email for more information and an application. That is it for today's Tuesday Talk. I hope you have a good day and enjoy the rest of your week.